How to fade in and fade out audio in CapCut. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you to fade in and fade out audio in CapCut. So if you're wondering on how to do that, you can follow up this method and you should be easily able to fade in and fade out the audio in CapCut. So for that, you can open up your CapCut application and head over to a video. Go ahead and select up a video, or you can also directly select up an audio. So if you have selected a video, what you can do is simply tap on that video and look for the extract option in the bottom. In the button, when you tap on it, you'll be finding different editing options. Look for extract audio, which is right here. You can scroll to the right section until you're able to find it. Once you find that option, you can just go and click on it. And once that is done, it will extract the audio from the video. So once the audio is extracted, you can go ahead and tap on that audio and you can find this options right here in the bottom, different sound settings, different sound editing options. So you can look out for this option called fade, which is on the second, and you'll be finding fade in and fade out. You can just go ahead and use the scale button in order to fade in and fade out the audio. You can put it on the timeline, like how much second you want the audio to be faded in and how much second you want the audio to be faded out. After that, click on right, and that is it. So now whenever you play the audio, it will start fading in and then fade out in the last. And that is how you fade in and fade out audio in CapCut easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.